Menteri Ketenaga Koi Kakia Jaka Jylla ba Hek Negan Reuterik Unailar Aja Arpo Ula Pyntip Baka Sarkar Jylla Klarai ban Pynkhlain bat Pyniar ki Jaka Sumar Kintup nadu ki CHC ki PHC bat ki sub center bar kanekan kintup lang nadu ki tiar kitar Jaka Sumar lembar ki wei de ki Jingtreikam Ula Pyntip ru bahanne kan Reuterik Unailar Aja Arpo klalek jurib ka CHC pen orsla na ka benta ki Jingpen kre yakani ki Jaka Sumar ban yakho ni ka khlam COVID-19 Hakani ke jingle jurib ka CHC penosla lai don langru menteri rangba benrap ka sarkar Jylla ba president tensong hakaba ulapalai ru ka ambulance na ka benta ke Jingtreikam jong ka CHC penosla
Set to Penosla CHC today with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. President himself. So he is also the local MLA, Mr. Timsong, is the Honorable Deputy CM. He has organized the program for one to release the ambulance for the service of the CHC. Number two, we went for the COVID prepare also to see the CHC for preparations of COVID at the same time, and also to upgradations of the CHC. There many things which is there for the upgradations and strengthening of the health center of the CHC there. So we have been taken up. Not taken up, we went to joint inspection today to be taken up. And we had discussed there with the Dr. DHS Amai and the charge doctor of the CHC Pynkhlain. So this is our visits to ensure that we strengthen also and also motivating the staff of the health workers and also the COVID management committee together for fighting the COVID-19.
Uba hek ulai kublai ru igre khot kaseng samla penthor ba block 3 kibla ai mensiam menteri rangba benrap director ke health service lembar yu bar kini igre khot kaseng samla penthor ba block 3 gla no senyang ru de ki mask ba sanitizer shaka sarkar hakaba yakini ki jingno senyang la ai shaka CHC pen orsla
to encourage and motivate all the health workers, including myself as health minister, the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister, DHS, and all the doctors and nurses and all the health workers. So they have come with all the members of the Sengsamla Patarba Block 3, and also they have hand over the face mask and also the sanitizer to me, and also which already been hand over to the CHC of Penosla today.